In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a brush effect in Photoshop. First, let me show you the document settings I'm using for this tutorial. Now, drag and drop the subject image onto the canvas. Place the subject image at the center. Next, hold Alt and click the Layer Mask button to add an inverted layer mask to the subject layer. Now double-click the subject layer's inverted layer mask to open the layer mask properties. Set the layer mask density to about 90% so you can slightly see through the mask. Next, go to Window and select Brushes. Open the Brush Strokes brush set and choose any grunge brush from it. Download link for the Brush Strokes brush set is given in the description. Now, make sure the subject layer's inverted layer mask is selected and set the foreground color to white. Also, make sure the brush opacity is set to 100%. Use the bracket keys to adjust the brush size. Use the left and right arrow keys to adjust the brush rotation. Now click once with the brush as shown to reveal parts of the hidden subject image. Rotate and resize the brush and try using different brushes from the same Brush Strokes brush set. Create a variety of brush strokes in a creative way as shown to make the brush effect look better. If you want to undo a brush stroke or any step, press Ctrl and Z. To redo it, press Ctrl, Shift and Z. Next, set the brush opacity to 50%. Set the foreground color to black. Make sure the subject layer's layer mask is selected. Then paint around the edges of the existing brush strokes. This will create faded brush strokes around the edges, making the effect look more realistic and beautiful. For this step also, resize and rotate the brush and use different brushes from the Brush Strokes brush set for better variety and realism. Once you're done brushing, double-click the subject layer's layer mask again to open the layer mask properties. Set the layer mask density back to 100%. Now make sure the foreground color is set to black, then select the background layer. Next, add a gradient adjustment layer. Click the gradient preview to open the gradient editor. Under Basics, choose the black to transparent gradient. Now, double-click this color stop to open its color picker. Change the color to yellow, then click OK. Again, OK. Set the style to radial. Enable reverse. Set the scale to about 255%. Also make sure the angle is set to 90 degrees, then click OK. That's it! You've successfully created a brush effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.